This is 5 tips for getting your tools ready for the season, sponsored by 3-in-1 Oil. Hi, it's Jamie from an Oregon Cottage, where you will find easy DIYs, simple whole food recipes, and doable gardening tips like these. I have gardened for many years, growing food and vegetables, but I have a dirty little secret, literally, and it's how I treat my tools. They've been thrown in the burn pile, left out in the rain, and even stored caked with dirt. But I'm determined this year to start a new chapter and turn over a new leaf. And so I did a little research and I found out there's really only 5 things that you need to do to get your tools ready for the season and to keep them going through the season and beyond. So grab a few supplies and these 5 steps and come with me as we make our tools shine. So once your tools are all ready, it's not only going to help them live longer, it's going to help you garden better. Because I found that properly cared for tools, they slice through branches and dirt with ease.